What if your next multiplayer game was already 90% finished before you even wrote a single line of code? Meet the Advanced Multiplayer Game Template, a complete, production-ready foundation for serious multiplayer games built in Unity. This is not just basic networking. It's a powerful master server system with game servers and subservers, allowing players to create their own servers that instantly appear in live server lists and can be joined by others. Every player gets secure authentication with registration and login, plus encrypted cloud-based data saving for stats, experience, currency, items, and progression. All without relying on third-party databases. Bring your world to life with a full multiplayer vehicle system. Players and NPCs can enter, exit, steal, and fight over vehicles with realistic animations, vehicle damage, lights, weapons, and intelligent AI traffic. Add deep gameplay with a powerful inventory and item system. Weapons, ammunition, outfits, consumables, companions, and pets are fully customizable using scriptable objects, making expansion fast and scalable. Create meaningful progression with experience. Leveling, unlockable items, player health and nutrition systems, and a complete in-game shop. Give players ownership with a plot and building system, allowing them to buy land, place structures, customize their property, and shape the world together. Players can communicate through server chat, express themselves with emotes, customize their characters, and even play on mobile thanks to full mobile compatibility. All of this is powered by Mirror, the most trusted open-source networking solution for Unity multiplayer games. Stop building systems. Start building your game. Get the Advanced Multiplayer Game Template now.